Okay, Mia. Now look. I know you're hurting. I know you fell and hurt your knee. Come take a seat.
A little one.
We have a big box. You gonna raise it up? Okay. Oh.
One was bleeding when I fell on the roadside before, but
Yeah.
I fell on the wood.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are in the world, welcome. It's good to see you, right, Mia? So, we got a new package in, and I think it's our glove box. This is a big glove box. This is going to be very interesting. So, we're going to open this glove box and see what's in it. Huh? No, you can wear your crown. It's all up to you. Do you want to wear it or no? You want to take it off? Okay. Oh no, your hair's caught in it. There you go. Is that better? All right. So, you ready to open this glove box and see what's in it?
Yes.
All right. Here we go.
And it's Johnny a March.
It is. So, first things first, we got...
It's mermaid face, so I dressed like a mermaid.
You are dressed like a mermaid. I like your necklace. It's really cool.
It has bells.
Yeah. So, look, we got some towels.
So when the bell rings, I can ring my bells before I say freeze, stop, hands up.
Yep. Here, look. Towels. This is a big towel. This is like a big drying towel, I think.
You can do this side 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4.
So then we have Refresh, which is, these are smell goods. These are for your car. I don't smell nothing. I think we'd have to open them. But they go on the vents. They're like vent clips. What do you think?
Good.
All right. Then we have directions for use. This is image, wash products. Okay. So let's get into all this. We got ceramic plus car wash from Armor All. You want to smell it? It's got a cap on it. It's got tape so it doesn't spill.
Because it's liquid.
Yeah, and if it spills, it'll make a big mess in the box, won't it?
Liquid can turn to solid and gas. I learned that in my school.
Did you?
Uh-huh.
Really cool. When did you learn that? Today?
Uh-huh.
This
Solid
one.
can turn into liquid. Like ice cubes can turn into liquid.
Yep. Smell it. I don't really like it. All right. So, Armor All Extreme Shield Ceramic Plus Car Wash. We'll give it a try, but we'll see how it goes. Then we have a foam cannon.
Foam cannon.
Whoa, it's a 2-in-1. It connects both to a pressure washer or a garden hose.
Oh, can we do it to our garden hose?
Yeah, we can try it.
Because it has been spilling.
It has. Well, we need to get a new hose. But our pressure washer, we use an MTM Hydro, but it's okay.
Pew, pew, pew.
And then the different connections here. So,
And
look.
that's the connection. Shoo, shoo.
So that's cool, right?
Fire! Put
Here,
it down. Shh.
Goes like this. And then you would... We'll test it out. We'll see how it works. It's going to be
There's a
interesting.
fire.
It's good to see all these other brands getting into the world of detailing like that.
There's a fire.
And then we have wax replacement from Image. This is probably a beading. This is a spray-on, rinse-off product. I like those. They generally work pretty well. It doesn't smell too bad either.
It smells like grapes.
Yeah, I know you don't
like
like grapes, but it's okay.
I give it a B.
A B. So you give this a B. What do you give the car wash?
A.
What about the foam cannon?
A.
And the towels?
A.
And the air freshener?
Kind of a B.
All right. Well, did you enjoy this month's glove box?
Yeah.
Tell everybody thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
We'll see you again soon. We're going to go test out and play with some of this stuff. We will definitely play with the foam cannon. We will play with this car wash soap, and we will play with the wax replacement. So thank you for joining us. It was really fun, and we'll see you later.
I need to blow it out.
Bye.